Morning, little Elsa. Morning, little Anna. Your mummy had to go out today, so she's asked me to bring you a present. Oh, what is it? What is it? I'm so excited, little Elsa. Me too. What can it be? I hope it's a kangaroo. A kangaroo? It won't be a kangaroo. I hope it's cupcakes. Yeah, the one with the sprinkly icing on top. It's not cupcakes, and it's certainly not a kangaroo. Let me show you. It's a puppet. Look, a Peppa Pig puppet. Wow, a Peppa Pig puppet. That looks so much fun, little Elsa. It does, little Anna. Can I start popping right away? Okay, girls, I'll be in the kitchen tidying up until your mum gets back and you girls can play with the Peppa Pig puppet. Whoa. Bye, Rapunzel. Come on, little Elsa. Jump down. Let's start jumping on the puppet. Hey, it's not popping. I wonder why. I wonder how we play with this puppet. Let me try jumping on it. It doesn't work. Let me try blasting it with ice. Ice! No, it still doesn't work. Look, little Anna, there's a bump over here. I wonder what we do with this. Let's get... Oh, it popped! Did you hear the pop? Oh gosh, little Elsa, that sounded so fun. I want to have a try. Hey, it's not popping for me. I know. Let's turn it over and see what's on the other side. Lots of pops. I want to have a turn. I want to have a turn. Should I jump or should I pop with my nose or my hand? I'm going to try jumping. Pop. Hey, it's not popping with jumping. How did you do it? Oh, look, I did it. I popped it. Your turn, little Elsa. Oh, little Anna, I'm going to try popping it with my feet too. No, we have to hit it really hard. Let me try this one over here. It doesn't work with my boots, little Elsa. Little Anna, how did you do it? Pop, little piggy, pop, pop, pop. Here, look, I'll show you how I did it. Pop, little piggy, pop, 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 pop. Hey, it didn't work with my boots either. I'm going to try my hand. Pop, pop, pop. I did it. Pop, pop. This is so fun. Let's see if I can get all of the blue ones. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, your turn, little Elsa. What colour are you going to do? Oh, I think I want to do pink. Yes, definitely pink. I'll get my hands ready. Pop the piggy's nose. Hey, did you hear that? Funny piggy. Pop the piggy's face. Pop the piggy's eyes. Pop, 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 pop the poppy piggy. Hey, his eyes won't pop. His eyes won't pop, little Elsa. Here, little Anna. Pop the piggy's eyes. Pop. How did you do that? I'm magic. Let's see if we can do it super fast now. Hey, that was so fun. I wonder what will pop tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe now for more great videos.